Business Central for the web browser is available, works in multiple different browsers. And so just here, as you can see in this version, it opens up in a dual column layout. So as soon as you get down further in your default dashboard, what you will have here is if you zoom your screen out, because you've got a high resolution, you'll notice that it splits into a 3-column layout. And with that 3-column layout, just gives you a bit more landscape. But the question gets raised all the time is, well, how can I access this on other devices? And so you're available from your existing full license will allow you to open it on multiple devices. So just here, I have turned this into device mode using developer mode. And you can see that Business Central is still here, and I can open up the system on my mobile phone. So this is just an emulator, and it will show what it will look like on a mobile phone. The problem with this is that it doesn't really use the best landscape. So if we go back to your normal interface, we're going to hit customers. From customers, we're going to go to Adaptem. Here we are. So this is a full layout. It shows us the customer picture. We can see everything here. On the mobile view, and this is just using the web interface mobile view, it does compact it. It does kind of try to make it mobile friendly, but does it really? Like, it's not really doing what you would want for one of your customers or for yourself to use when you're on a device. So for that reason, available in your app store is Microsoft Dynamics Business Central, the mobile app, which will load like this. So it's a different menu structure across the base. By hitting the hamburger, straight into customers. We find via this interface, the UI is more responsive, and it's designed to adapt the existing UI from Business Central to a mobile device. From this, most, and I say most, and we find over 95% of the features that are available in the full version are available in the interface that users would use on a day-by-day basis. Okay. From here, you can go straight to your reporting, and you can flick through and, drill in. So I can double click on a transaction, and it's going to load those details for me. So it's quite useful. The last interface that's available is the tablet. The tablet gives you the ability to see on one device all the information that's applicable straight into Adaptem, and what you'll notice is your fact box has moved. It's usually over on the right, it's now on your left, and there's a menu button that appears that you can drill into action key things. So from this customer, I might want to go straight into sales order, and it's quite useful for sales reps that are out on the road that want to turn around and be able to complete orders on the fly directly with customers. So they're the 3 interfaces for Business Central, available straight out of the box, no license changes. It works with every license type and enables you to be able to achieve the outcomes that you're looking for.